Good morning, class. Today is Monday, 13 April 2020, online lesson number 10, section 1, shared reading, Billy and Aunt Lie, section 2, learning zone, section 3, self-directed learning activities. Let's begin. Section 1, shared reading, Billy and Aunt Lie. Today we will begin our shared reading, Billy and Aunt Lie, Chapter 1. The story is posted in our dojo classroom under the class story section. Please download the PDF so that we can all read along. Section 3 of our lesson will include an activity to be completed in your Dear books. Shared reading, Billy and Aunt Lie by James Minter. Shared reading, Billy and Aunt Lie, Chapter 1, The Journey to School. Let us now begin our reading. Class, we are now going to begin section 2 of our lesson.
Lesson B, pages 72 and 73. 1. Listen and match the pictures and the organizations.
My name is Jane. I work for the International Committee of the Red Cross. The Red Cross helps people in war zones and in natural disasters such as floods or earthquakes.
I'm Sally. I work for Save the Rhino. We raise money to help protect rhinos in their natural environment.
I'm Paul. I work for UNICEF, the United Nations Children's Fund. UNICEF helps mothers and children in countries around the world with food and health care.
I'm Lily. I work for the World Wildlife Fund. We work to protect animals and the environment.
My name is Fred. I work for Amnesty International. We defend human rights around the world and help people in prison because of their beliefs. 2. Listen again and write what each organization does.
My name is Jane. I work for the International Committee of the Red Cross. The Red Cross helps people in war zones and in natural disasters such as floods or earthquakes.
I'm Sally. I work for Save the Rhino. We raise money to help protect rhinos in their natural environment.
I'm Paul. I work for UNICEF, the United Nations Children's Fund. UNICEF helps mothers and children in countries around the world with food and health care.
I'm Lily. I work for the World Wildlife Fund. We work to protect animals and the environment.
My name is Fred. I work for Amnesty International. We defend human rights around the world and help people in prison because of their beliefs. Four. Listen, read, and answer the questions.
James Rivera has been a doctor for 20 years. Since 2005, he has worked for Doctors Without Borders. A group of French doctors started this organization, in French, Médecins Sans Frontières, in 1971 to give free medical services to people in need all over the world. In 2010, James was in Haiti for 6 months to help people after a big earthquake. In 2011, he worked in Turkey for 4 months. Since 2012, he has worked on a project in Egypt.
Class, now we are going to move into the CLIL zone, health. And today's topic is charities. Allow me to read it. People who work to make things better for the world feel better themselves. It is satisfying to do something you believe in. Many people work for charities. Charities offer help to those who need it. Their mission statement explains the goals of the charity. People donate money or they volunteer their time. There are different kinds of charities. Many charities help poor people. Others fight for human and animal rights. Some work to improve education and others to promote arts and culture. Some charities offer medical treatment to people who cannot afford to pay. Think about a charity you could start and the services you could offer. Decide how to tell people about your work. Design your logo. Class, we're going to return to this under our activities section, but I just wanted to introduce it to you, and you can start thinking a little bit about what kind of charity you would like to start. Class, we're now going to go to section 3 of our lesson today, Learning Zone Activities. Please open your Learning Zone workbooks and complete the exercises on pages 70 to 73. Class, when you are finished your exercises, please post them on your portfolio page in our Dojo classroom. We are now going to continue with our Section 3 activities, and we are going to turn to our Dear Books, and we have a little activity. We read Chapter 1 of Billy and Ant Lie today, and what I would like you to do in your Dear Books is write a description of Chapter 1. Be sure to use correct grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Draw a color picture to go along with your work. For homework tonight, class, I would like you to return to page 73 in your student book, read the charities section, and complete the exercise. Follow this format. Read the passage, think about a charity you could start and the services you would provide. Think of a name and design a logo. Write a mission statement. This tells people what you want to accomplish. Think of ways that people can help you and write them down. As always, post your work on your portfolio page in our Dojo classroom. Class, that is our lesson for today. I am going to say goodbye now, but of course I will be online to help you until 10:30. Let me know if you have questions or need help. See you tomorrow. Have fun and stay safe.